Welcome to this 12-minute affiliate review. A system that offers done-for-you capability and proprietary sleep sales technology software to give anyone of any age, whether you are a seasoned online marketer or a newbie wanting to launch your brand new internet business quickly. 12-Minute Affiliate is a revolutionary new system created by Devin Brown that simplifies the process of making online commissions with affiliate marketing. With 12-Minute Affiliate there are no products to create, websites to host, copy to write, or techie stuff to figure out. In this 12-minute affiliate review I will show you that you don't need any prior experience or training. The 12-minute affiliate system is 100% newbie friendly. So, even if you're a complete newbie, you can use this system with ease. You can see a case study of a 64-year-old grandmother making sales and commissions in her first week. How does 12-minute affiliate work? Step 1. Personalize the system so that the affiliate commissions go to you. Here you will join networks such as ClickBank.com, JVZoo.com, ShareASale and Warrior Plus. As an affiliate I can tell you the big money is promoting offers that are in proven niches or markets. Here's a list of a few to get you started. Health, weight loss, keto diet, diabetes, etc. Wealth, make money online, investing, cryptocurrency. Hobbies and self-help, learning a language, meditation, yoga. Relationships, get your ex back, save your marriage, etc. Step 2. Follow the simple quick start checklist to get your system up and running, or choose to have us set the system up for you. Here you will set up your autoresponder tool which help you build an email list you can communicate with and sell to over and over with different affiliate offers. Step 3. Set up your done-for-you funnels and order some done-for-you traffic or generate the traffic yourself and direct it to your system based on your budget. It's literally as easy as ordering a pizza, and from there, the system builds your list and promotes affiliate products for you while you sleep with the 12-minute affiliate sleep sales technology. And the great thing is that every time someone buys one of the affiliate products your system is promoting, you keep 100% of the commissions paid to you. When you decide to invest in the 12-minute affiliate system you'll be backed, no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee. Click the link below to start your no-risk trial for just a few dollars. Thank you.